I don't understand.
What? Welcome back, people. The Morning Brew, final stretch of this radio show. All right. And hey, don't forget, guys, SM City Olongapo presents the 3-day sale, October 3, 4, and 5. For October 3, shopping hours will be from 9 in the morning till 12 midnight. October 4 and 5, 10 a.m. till 11 p.m., right? So remember those details. 3, 4, 5 of October this year, of course. Also get the chance to win a Suzuki Ertiga. All right, simply go to SM and find out how. All right? Okay, shop there. And we have the radio contest. SM City Olongapo radio contest. Get the chance to win a gift certificate worth 500 pesos. Wow, how awesome is that? All you have to do is, number 1, call me up. Answer the topic of the day. That's number 2. Number 3, answer another question coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo. They gave these questions. All right. So you need to answer the question. Two questions actually. First is the topic of the day, and then the second one is the details of the SM City Olongapo 3-day sale. And if you will answer it right, then you will win a 500 peso gift certificate. Okay? So, yeah, you heard the phone ringing? We have somebody calling. Yeah, let's check it out. Call me now. Come on. Oh, what happened? No, wala. Come on, we need a caller. Radio contest is on 252-8905. You want to win the 500 peso gift certificate? Call me. 252-8905. All right, here we have somebody calling. Okay, let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon na pala.
Yeah, good afternoon. What's your name?
Si Epi uli.
Epi uli. Epi uli?
Yes, si Epi.
Ang ganda na apelido mo, ha? Uli. Epi uli.
Hindi, si Epi again. Ito.
Okay. I'm just kidding ko naman. Kumagat ka naman. You gonna join the radio contest?
Sige lang. Kaya lang hindi ko masyadong nasubaybayan yung ano.
Hala ka. Naku.
Pero subukan.
You need to answer it right. But well, first, give me the answer to the your answer to the topic of the day. You know the topic already, right?
Yes.
The scariest situation you've ever been to. Go.
Siguro nung umuwi ako sa Leyte, kasi ang sinakyan na namin bus, tapos sakay ng Roro ba yun?
Roro. Oo. Roll on, roll off.
Kasi ang biyahe namin papunta ng pasakay ng Roro is gabi na, nakarating na kami. Bandang Quezon yun, syempre mga bandang alas 12 yata ng gabi yun.
Okay.
Saktong nandun kami sa kalipnaan ng middle of nowhere, nasiraan kami ng bus.
In the middle of nowhere, nasiraan ng bus.
Yes, tapos yung paligid mo yung kabilang side, yung sa kaliwa, bundok siya na mapuno. Tapos yung bandang kana mo naman, bangin.
Oh, me oh my.
Tapos naririnig mo sa kanila na may mga parang mga NPA daw doon na nangaharang, na bigla na lang mamamato ng sasakyan.
Naku, really scary, ha? Oo nga.
Tapos gabi pa yun, syempre hindi naman makakatawag agad ng
tulong
back-up nila. Oo, kasi gabi na, tapos hindi pa alam doon kasi yung driver ng bus din, shortcut siya kung saan siya nagdaraan.
Tsaka mahirap mag-repair ng sasakyan pag gabi, di ba?
Yun nga eh.
Mamaya, tinatry mong i-repair, yung pala tinatanggal mo yung makina gabi eh.
Tapos pinababa nga kami lahat na, ang dilim-dilim pa naman doon. Buti sana kung may mga, kahit pa paano may mga bahay-bahay, kaso as in wala talaga. Kaya talagang kasama ko yung mother ko. Pray kami ng pray na sana matapos agad.
Yeah, that was...
Para makaalis na doon. Nakakatakot kasi hindi mo expect na dahil first time mo sa lugar na yun, di ba? Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Kung sino na lang biglang lulutang doon na... Quezon pa naman yun, malay namin. Tapos walang signal yung smart ko doon. Kaya hindi ko alam kung sino ko kontakin.
Yeah, that was one scary situation, huh? Oo. Taga Leyte ka pala?
Yung mga kanununuan ko.
Ako yung mga kanununuan ko, Capiz.
Okay.
Hindi gaanong kailangan ng sasakyan. Minsan lumilipad na lang.
tanghating gabi na lang magkabilugan ng buwan.
No, I'm just kidding. Hindi ako naniniwala ka ba sa mga gano'n? Ako hindi.
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin no?
Yung mga multo-multo, hindi.
Hindi naman totoo yan kasi imagine ha, bata pa ako naririnig ko na yan. Hanggang ngayon wala naman ako nakikitang pruweba, di ba? Wala naman eh.
Kahit ako, yung mga white lady, wala naman ako nakikita, mga kapre.
White lady, gusto ko ngang mamit eh. Lady pa rin yun kahit papaano.
Parehas tayo, gusto ko rin makakita.
Nang alin?
Ayaw nga lang.
That's a nice answer. Thank you for sharing your story. Cool story, ha? Alright, sana wag na maulit kasi it's scary. Alright, so next thing for you to do before I officially declare you the winner, madali lang naman. Ayan. Are you familiar with the SMCT 3-day sale? Na magaganap ngayong weekend yun no? All you have to do is give me the inclusive dates. Yung date lang ng 3-day sale. And that's it. You're gonna be the winner. Do you know?
Okay, sige, subukan ko.
Alam mo ba?
Nakikita ko kasi doon sa mga nakapaskil sa mga motor ng tricycle. Tsaka yung doon sa bandang Marikit.
That's good. Magbasa-basa pag may time, no? Sa mga nakikita sa paligid. Nakakatulong yan. Sige, go ahead.
October 3, 4, and 5.
Alright! Congratulations! Alright! You got it right! Congratulations, Epi!
Yes.
The full name, Epihenia Lee, right?
Yes.
I need to put your, pasensya na, I really need to put your full name Kailangan
Yes.
Ilalagay natin dito. Ayan. Alright, so...
Nakakilala sa ganyang pangalan.
Speaking of nakakakilala, sige, batiin mo na sila. Greet na.
Binabati ko lang yung mga katrabaho ko, yung mga kapitbahay ko dito, yung pamilya ko sa Banikain.
Okay, so that's it. Tipid ha?
Yes, that's it.
So doon mo i-claim sa SMCT Olongapo. Look for their marketing office, ha?
Marketing office.
Yeah, okay. All right, congratulations, Epi, and thank you for calling. Tell us before you say goodbye, of course, what's your favorite radio station?
89.5, My Civic Bay Radio.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, so there you have it, people. Our winner of the radio contest, si Epi. Ayan. She shared her story, the scariest ordeal or situation she ever